Okay. So what is the name of our activity? Loud and soft sound. Okay. What is the name of our activity? Loud and soft sound. So here some materials are given. Okay. So you have to take one material and you have to make a sound. Okay, like this. So tell me, this is the loud sound or soft sound? This is the soft sound. Loud sound. See? This is the loud sound. Next, when we use this plastic bottle. Okay. See? So, this is the soft sound. Okay. So now, what is this? This is the cardboard. Okay. So listen carefully. Yes, soft sound. Okay. So got it, everyone? So now we will make a group, and then you have to explore this material, and you have to make a sound, loud sound or soft sound. Okay.